Hello guys, how are you? Today I will teach you 2 ways to SSH a virtual machine. First, we SSH a virtual machine via PuTTY. Second, we SSH a virtual machine via Command Prompt. First, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Now let's start the video. First we open the PuTTY. Put the IP address of my virtual machine. Check the port 22. Select the connection type SSH. Click on Open. Put the login ID and password. As you can see, now we connected to my virtual machine Libre NMS using PuTTY. ls to check the files. Type exit. For second method, open the command prompt and type SSH space username at IP address and press enter. Put the password, press enter. As you can now, we connected to my virtual machine Libre NMS using command prompt. ls to check the file. So that's it for now. If you like my video and want to learn more, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to aware about my latest videos. Goodbye.